Hey guys, this is Byron, and first of all, let me say thanks for clicking on this video. You probably have clicked on this video because you're looking all over the internet for products or programs to help you make money online. I've actually created this video with two purposes in mind. In the first part of this video, I'd like to introduce you to a new product that's going to be launched that you can purchase and use with your internet marketing business, or you can sell this product as an affiliate and make commissions. And then in the second part of this video, if you're not looking for a particular product or program, but just looking for a way to make money online, I would like to introduce you to a free work from home online business opportunity. Now, the product that I'm introducing you to today, and let me say I'm just introducing this product to you because it's impossible to review a product that's not on the market yet. It's called Take Surveys for Cash. It's created by Brandon H. and it's going to be launched in a few days. Now, what Brandon has done, he's put together a program which he says is going to show you where to take the best paid surveys and how you can make the most from taking paid surveys. And so he's put together a program that you can buy to show you how to take paid surveys and make cash. Now, quite frankly, I am experienced with some surveys and how to do surveys, but I found that most of the surveys, the legitimate ones, you don't have to pay any money to take the surveys. You don't have to pay any money in order to show somebody, have somebody to show you where to take the surveys. It's just a free way to start. It is tedious, it takes a lot of time, and you make very little money doing paid surveys. Plus, you junk up your email accounts because you get a lot of junk mail when you do the paid surveys. But if you're looking for a program to buy, and if you just need a little bit of assistance, you can check this program out that's going to be coming out. It's going to be selling for less than $200. More than likely, it's going to have a front-end buy-in price between $30 to $50. So check it out if you're looking to take surveys and you want to buy a program, or you can even sell this product as an affiliate and make commissions. I did mention in the second part of this video, if you're just looking for a way to make money online, or if you're looking for another stream of income, I would like to introduce you to a free work from home online business opportunity. It is a program I am affiliated with. I've been doing this program for over a year. It's become a wonderful opportunity to me. I've made as much as over $600 a week doing this program, and I've made as little as $75 to $100 a week doing this program. Sometimes it's consistent, and other times it's not consistent. It's not a get-rich-quick program, but it is a legitimate way that you can make money online. Now, in order to be successful with this program, you have to have a little bit of ambition. You have to be willing to learn something new. You have to have the ability to learn something new, and you have to be patient. How it works is you get paid to be an independent advertiser for Fortune 500 companies. You create ads, put those ads all over the internet. Every time somebody goes and clicks on these ads and goes to the Fortune 500 company sites and signs up for their trial offers, you receive what they call a referral sign-up bonus. Uh, Once you get somebody to sign up for the trial offers, you can get paid as quickly as that day or the next day through your PayPal account, or you may request a regular check by mail. Now, these companies require, in order for you to do this business, you also have to sign up for some of the trial offers yourself. And if you sign up for only the free trial offers, that's how you can get started in this business, and it doesn't cost you a dime. You get paid directly from these companies, but they also require that you try some of the offers. Like I said, if you do only the free trial offers, you can get started in this business, and it doesn't cost you a dime. When I started, I did not like any of the free trial offers, so I spent some money on some trial offers that I actually enjoyed. The products that I got were worth more than the money that I spent, and so I was really pleased with the products that I got through these companies. Um, so if you're looking to make money online, this is a great opportunity, especially long term. Um, Another thing I like about this business is their free tutorials that will teach you how to do this business. There's a Facebook fan page that you can ask questions. You can join for free. There's also a free weekly webinar. I'm even willing to give you some tips and kind of guide you in the right direction, but I can't do the business for you. You have to have enough ambition and enough incentive to do the work yourself. But like I said, if you're looking to make money online long term, it can be a great opportunity. Short term, just takes a little bit of work. So if you want some more information, I'd encourage you to click the link below this video, newhopefinancialsolutions.com. Please make sure when you click the link below the video, it says newhopefinancialsolutions.com. Believe it or not, I get a lot of people hijacking my videos, stealing my videos, and they put their own